Hey everybody, it's Mark from Northeast Bass Fishing. Hope you guys are doing okay. You guys up here in the Northeast enjoying this great weather we're having. More snow may be on the way in the next couple days, but it is February. But the funny thing is, I moved from New Jersey to New Hampshire, and New Jersey has gotten slammed with snow, and we've just had a moderate amount here in southern New Hampshire so far. So not too bad. I guess I moved at the right time. But I wanted to show you guys an order. It's not really an order. I won this on Instagram. This was an Instagram giveaway. And I want to thank Bill, who's Southern Basser on Instagram, and JJ, who's BC Bass Blasters on Instagram, and just thank them. These guys do a lot of really awesome giveaways, and I got lucky and won one. I mean, I enter so many of them, like probably a lot of you guys do, and you kind of forget about them. And all of a sudden, I got a message from Bill saying, "Hey, you won!" I'm like, "Oh, great!" And it's all Megabass stuff. So I mean, it's like this is a really nice, a really nice giveaway. So I just thought I'd go through and, thank those guys again. Thanks, guys, if you guys happen to see this, but and just kind of show you what I got, because everybody loves Megabass stuff. So I'm just gonna I made a list of everything that came, and I'll just go through it and show it to you. Some of the things I have, some of these type of baits, but all the colors are actually different than I had, so it worked out great. First thing was the Mag Draft Freestyle swim bait. Now I have the other Mag Drafts. You guys can kind of see I have one of my racks in the back there, and over this shoulder, if you look straight back, you can kind of see Megabass stuff hanging up there. That's like my swim bait rack right there. But here's the Freestyle Meg, which I don't have any of, so it's kind of neat. And some of this stuff I'm going to open, some I'm not, because when you open these up, then you can't really hang them up anymore once you get that staple out of there. But I'm going to take one of these out. I haven't even opened this up yet. And this is the 6-inch size, and this is a silver shad. But I figure with that, one of those beast hooks or whatever swim bait hook you like, I haven't thrown this one before, so I'm gonna look and see what, look on YouTube, see who recommends what the best hook is. But any of those, belly weighted hooks probably would be awesome for this. But it's really cool. That's an awesome, awesome looking swim bait. So that's the Freestyle Silver Shad. So if you guys are thinking of getting that, that's what it looks like. And some of these jerk baits I never even saw before. Some of these I'm going to take out of the box because I'm going to make a new kit with just my Megabass stuff. But I think this is is it 1x1 shad? I hope I'm saying it right. If I mess any of these names up, I apologize. And it's a Type R. And this is the, I don't know if I know this color, if I'm going to say it right, a May Classic. If I messed it up, sorry. But there it is. I'll take this out. Nice looks like a nice little finesse, jerk bait. Yeah, definitely. I don't have any of these, so it's a nice little addition to the collection. That's a nice looking little, finesse jerk bait. So I'm assuming it's 1x1 shad Type R. I think I'm saying that right. There you go. So I'm going to leave that out of the box. I'm going to put that in my Megabass box here. Okay, I got a couple dark sleepers. One was the big size, the 1 ounce. And what was that color again? The 1 ounce. The 1 ounce one is, I think it's Donko is the color. I'm saying that right. You guys can see it in the back there. Oh, I'm saying that correctly. That's a big one. That's a 1 ouncer dark sleeper. And I haven't really. I mean, I've thrown these a little bit. A lot of guys tell me throw more like a jig than a swim bait. So this is something I have to, work on. Throwing, getting a little more confidence in. And here's the smaller size. That's the 1/4 ounce dark sleeper, and that's in the Wakasagi color. And this one here, this is a 1 ounce bait. This is a 3/8 inch bait. This is 2.4 inch bait. That's the Wakasagi color. So if you guys who like the dark sleepers, if you're thinking of those colors, that's what they look like. And if I'm not going to take these out, if I take these out of the pack, then I can't really hang them up. Next on the list, let's see here. Here's something I definitely didn't have. This is a square bill jerkbait, the 110, and it's a Green Pumpkin Pro Blue. This is kind of cool. I didn't even know, I gotta be honest with you, I didn't know that Megabass made a square bill jerkbait. So how this is gonna, ow, man, they're sharp. How it's gonna run compared to, it's good. I don't know if you guys can see good enough. See that bill on there? More of a square bill than a regular jerkbait. Nice color though. We'll have to see how that runs in the water. I'm sure it'll be cool. But that's, I mean, winning one of these alone would be a nice giveaway win. But to have that in there too. Like Pro Blue, Green Pumpkin Pro Pro Blue is really nice. I'm gonna leave this out because I'm gonna put that in my box too. My other jerk baits. All right, let's see here. All right. Now this I've shown you, and what was great is I didn't even have this color. Was the Hazdong Shad, the 3-inch, and that's the Tennessee USA Tennessee Shad color. And you guys have seen, I've shown you these a little bit. I'm just starting to get into throwing these small Hazdongs. So if you guys, if they're on small bait, there you go. Tennessee Shad's cool. I haven't taken that out of the box yet. It's cool, that green flake in there. I don't know if you guys will come across on the video, but it's really cool. So there's more of the Hazdongs. Can never have enough of those. Straighten that out of the box later. All right, let's see. Now this I definitely didn't have one of these. And if I say this wrong, I apologize. Uozi Swimmer. It's like a swim jig with the blade on the bottom. And I believe this is a 1/4 ounce. Yeah, 1/4 ounce, and this is smoked shad color. I'm gonna take that out of the box. It's kind of cool looking. Hopefully I can get it back, put it back in and hang it up. If not, I'll just put it in the box. Just take the staples out of one side. It shouldn't be too bad. I don't have any jigs of any kind from Megabass, so this is a new for me. That's pretty cool. Good hook. Look like a nice little bait keeper there. I don't have any of these, so this is a new bait for me from Megabass. So if you're looking for you know, swim jig, 1/4 ounce swim jig, light wire, or not a light wire hook, good heavy hook, but you know, not a real heavy weed guard. There you go. That little extra flash there should be cool. Throw this over the beds in the springtime. What color did I say that was? A smoked shad. So there's smoked shad. What it looks like. That's nice. Thanks for that, guys. I don't have one of those. Let's see. Okay, now we're getting to some hard baits. I also threw in the Vibration X Junior. This is a silent, you know, no, I can't say rattle bait, but you know, a lipless style bait. And I believe it's Bahama Milk Pearl. It's an interesting color. Interesting color. Now I'm going to take that out of the box so you guys can see it up close. I think it's a 3/8 ounce. Let me see if I wrote it down. 1/2 ounce. So this little bait's a 1/2 ounce. I almost hate to take it out of the pack, but see if I keep the hooks out of my fingers. Yep, 1/2 ounce. I think it says 1/2 ounce. It feels lighter than that, but whatever. It's like might have a little knock to it. That's a cool looking little bait. I haven't thrown any Megabass, you know, trap type baits. So, like I said, there's another new one to my collection. So really awesome. Turn my computer sound off. Keeps beeping every time an email comes in. All right, so there it is. The Vibration X Junior Silent Bait, 1/2 ounce. Bahama Milk Pearl, new color. So there you go. That's what it looks like. You guys get a good look at it. That's a cool looking bait. That's gonna go in one of the boxes. All right, let's see. I've shown you guys these before. These are Okashira screw heads. Now, I didn't have any of the ones with the little, whatever you want to call that, propeller on it. I just had the regular ones. So that'll be cool to try out. And these are 1/8 ounce. Spawn Kill is the number, the color. That's what they look like. I'm not going to take those out because then they'll be all over the place. You guys have seen those with those little props on there. I haven't tried the ones with the props yet, so that with those, even with that Hazdong, probably awesome. So these are new to me. I haven't used them yet. The ones I had, I just gotten for the holidays. So that'll be another new bait for the spring. All right, let's see. Another hard bait, the Knuckle Junior, a little square bill. Let's see. SP Sexy Shad, 3/8 ounce. So I'm gonna take that out of the pack for you. That's what it looks like in the pack. We don't have enough square bills. Get this out. Did not get a hook in my finger. Even better. Oh, there we go. A little information on how to throw it. And there you go. It's a nice looking little finesse square bill right there. Now this one this size I would probably throw on a spinning reel. It's only 3/8 ounce. It's light. That's a great color. Sexy shad color. There you go. Nice little finesse square bill. Knuckle Junior from Megabass. Really nice. Alright, let's put that here. And let's see. Another bait I didn't have from Megabass, the iSpin spinnerbait. And that is the iSpin 1/4 ounce swimming in the swimming frog color. So I'm going to leave that in the pack. I could probably take it out, but you know what? It looks like it's paper clipped in there. I don't want to, or stapled in there. I don't want to have it all over the place. But there you go. Nice little finesse spinnerbait. Single blade. Be good in the shallow water. 1/4 ounce. That's the iSpin from Megabass. And what did I say? Swimming frog color. 1/4 ounce. Cool. And the last two things I got, things you've seen before. Now, very popular bait, the Spark Shad swim bait from Megabass, and that's the purple haze color, 3-inch. So I'm not gonna take those out. You guys have seen those before. There you go. And the last thing they added to the giveaway was the 4-inch size. So there's the 4-inch Spark Shad, and that is a real color, just real. So there you go. You know, whatever jig head you guys like to use. You know, use it. I haven't thrown the 4-inch Spark Shad. I mean, I'm looking at my wall because I have Spark. You can kind of see the Spark Shads back there. Those are all the 3-inch ones. But so I'll add that to the click. So I don't think I have that purple haze color, so that'll be cool. I don't have any of the 4-inch, so that's a nice addition too. So that's it. That's a giveaway. That was free. So I want to thank Bill and JJ, man. That's awesome, guys. That is really great, really great. So if you guys are, you know, see this, thanks again. If you guys are on Instagram, follow those guys and get involved. They do a lot of nice giveaways, and I was lucky enough to win one. But that's some really awesome stuff. If you were to buy that stuff, you know, individually yourself, that'd be a good chunk of change. So it's really a nice giveaway. That's a good one. One of the best one I ever got. But that's it. I just wanted to show that to you guys fast. You can see the rack in the back. I have another rack that I'm going to fill up with baits. I know I kind of showed you that in my other video. It's another, but I need more hangers. So I ordered them from Home Depot. They're supposed to arrive tomorrow. We'll see. Then I can start hanging some more of this other stuff. I did get a container to put all that super pork in that I showed you guys on Instagram. I'll get that. The next time I do an update video of the basement here, the tackle shop, I'll show you how that's coming out when that gets to the next step. But I wanted to just show you guys these baits. So they're really awesome, really awesome. I mean, they're awesome if you went out and bought them. The fact that you win them in a giveaway makes it even greater. You know, especially Megabass stuff, which is all high end. So that's it. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that. I do have a small tackle warehouse order on the way. A friend of mine, since I retired from school, my friend Maura, her husband Ed were nice enough to send me a gift card from Tackle Warehouse, so I made an order with that. So I got a few things. I didn't order a lot, but I ordered a few things using their card and a couple other little things to get the free shipping. Of course, you got to do that. And when that comes, I'll do a quick video on that. Land Big Fish is having a sale right now. If you guys see this video tonight, I think it runs till Monday. Tomorrow's President's Day, so we'll run on that. So if you haven't ordered, if you're looking at Land Big Fish, and I think it's 20% off, you know, check it out. Get yourself, you know, stock up with some stuff. But you know, JJ and Bill, thanks again. Thanks again, much appreciated. And I'll keep you guys posted on you know how it's coming down here in the basement. You know, getting a lot of bad weather this week. I might be down here a lot. So I mean, we have carpet getting put in the house on Wednesday, painting to do Monday and Tuesday. Get the room all ready, the master all ready for the guys to put the carpet in. So Home Depot will be here to carpet 4 bedrooms and the living room on Wednesday. And we'll see where we are after that. But I think that's about it for now. So thanks for watching. And just to say, you know, I was looking. I don't pay attention to like viewer, you know, subscribers and things. I don't really pay attention to that. I just do this for fun. And I saw there was like 260 some odd people that are subscribed, and I appreciate it. I mean, the fact that 10 people want to watch me talk about fishing stuff on YouTube amazes me. But for the 200 and whatever people that have done it, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. So if there's anything you want me to talk about, while we're stuck inside for winter, any baits or anything you want me to go over that I have, because obviously I got a lot, let me know. Let me know in the comments. I can, do a video on that, because I'm looking for ideas. There's only so much stuff. I can't make orders every day and just show you guys new stuff all the time. I just bought a house, and I just bought a new truck today too. So I just can't keep buying baits. But so if there's anything, any techniques, any baits or anything you guys are interested in, let me know. And if I got it, I'll show you and we'll talk about it. So give me some ideas to get us through this next month or two, probably two, before we can actually go fishing and maybe start filming out on the boat, things like that. But I think that's it for now. I turned this 5-minute video into a 15-minute video. So like I said, for all you guys that subscribe, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. It's really awesome that people want to sit back and listen to me talk about baits and fishing and stuff. So that's kind of cool. So that's it for now. Everybody enjoy more snow if it's on the way, because I think it's coming here, and probably the Northeast is probably going to get a lot of it. Not necessarily a lot of it, but covering a lot of the Northeast is going to get it. So if you do get it, stay safe and all that stuff. But I'll when I get that land big fish order in, I'll probably do a video on that, or a video on the basement, how it's coming. All right, so I'll talk to you guys soon on YouTube. Mark out.